Welcome to the Galactic Pulse, where we explore the cutting-edge technologies and scientific discoveries that are shaping our future. In this episode, we'll be talking about the future of energy, particularly the shift towards clean and renewable sources. As our planet faces the challenges of climate change, we need to find ways to reduce our carbon footprint and move away from fossil fuels. In this podcast, we'll be discussing some of the most promising solutions for a sustainable future. The growing importance of clean energy. Clean energy has become an increasingly important topic in recent years, as more and more people recognize the dangers of climate change. The world is now more focused on finding sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are becoming more popular as countries and companies invest in renewable energy technologies. One of the key advantages of clean energy is that it reduces greenhouse gas emissions, which helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. In addition to being better for the environment, clean energy can also help to create new jobs and stimulate economic growth. The promise of solar energy. One of the most promising forms of clean energy is solar power. Solar panels have become increasingly affordable in recent years, making it more accessible for homeowners and businesses. Solar energy is also incredibly versatile and can be used to power everything from homes to electric vehicles. One of the biggest advantages of solar energy is that it is a virtually limitless resource. The sun is expected to continue shining for billions of years, providing us with a reliable source of energy. Additionally, solar energy systems are relatively low maintenance and have a long lifespan, making them a smart investment in the long term. The potential of wind energy. Another form of clean energy that is gaining popularity is wind power. Wind turbines have become a common sight in many countries, particularly in areas with strong winds such as coastal regions. Like solar power, wind power is a renewable resource that produces no emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice. One of the main challenges with wind energy is that it can be variable, depending on the weather conditions. However, advances in technology have made it possible to store excess energy produced by wind turbines, making it a more reliable source of power. The importance of hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is another form of renewable energy that has been used for decades. Hydroelectric dams generate electricity by harnessing the power of moving water. While there are some environmental concerns associated with the construction of dams, hydroelectric power is a clean energy source that produces no emissions. One of the advantages of hydroelectric power is that it can be used to store excess energy. Water can be pumped to a higher elevation during times of low demand and then released to generate electricity during times of high demand. This makes hydroelectric power a reliable source of energy that can be used to supplement other forms of renewable energy. That's all for this episode of the Galactic Pulse. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the future of clean and renewable energy. As we face the challenges of climate change, it's more important than ever to find sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Join us next time as we continue to explore the cutting-edge technologies and scientific discoveries that are shaping our future. Thank you for listening.